Look at this beauty. I finished. Oh my gosh, and I didn't think I would. Right in here, I had stuff in the wrong place. This only took me, I don't know, this is Saturday. I finished it. Wow, I sat here and it just all in one sitting. This was fun. It went together good. So, yeah, I gotta start posting some. See what's next. I don't know. I have anxiety. Maybe I should check. Oh gosh. Okay. This is oh, you know what? I think that one's fall. Okay, an antique Seiko. Let me go see if I can find it. Doesn't sound familiar. Okay, I got this recently. And yeah, this is a Seiko. The antique store. Let's see if there's any kind of a Edward Art Studios. All right, well, I'll do this next. And a friend called me a little while ago and told me about a thrift store I'd never heard of. So she's going to take me there on Friday. Yay. Hope they have puzzles and lots of them. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Uh-oh. See any problems here? Yes, I'm down to the last two pieces, and they don't fit. They don't go. Well, now what? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See any problems here? Yes, I'm down to the last two pieces, and they don't fit. They don't go. Well, now what? Uh-oh.